Okay, chapter 7.2, right triangle trigonometry, page 7. So example 11 looks a little different than what we're used to. What we can see, though, is that we have got a right triangle here. Okay, and then we can, let me find a different color. And then we can take a look at a separate right triangle. And between these two, we can find the length of that entire bottom piece. So let's start with that little right triangle. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and label this little piece Y just to help myself keep track of things. So I have an angle, 63 degrees. I have an opposite side. It's got a length of 82. And so opposite and adjacent, that's tangent. So I'm going to start with the tangent of 63 equals the opposite side over the adjacent side. I need to get that y out of the denominator, so I'm going to multiply both sides by y and go ahead and divide by the tangent of 63 on both sides. We've done that before. And we get 82 divided by tangent of 63, if I round that to two places, 41.78 approximately. You notice here there's no labels on the 82, so I'm not worried about a label on this, but I am going to write it down here so I don't forget what I'm doing. Would not be the first time. And so here's the other part. I'm going to call this Z because I'm super creative at this point. We now have a 39-degree angle. We've got the opposite side, it's 82, the adjacent side, that's Z. And so we're going to set this up the same way. Tangent of 39 degrees is 82 over Z. So we can find Z. And we get that Z is approximately 101.26. When I add both of these pieces together, I've got 101.26 plus 41.78. I end up with a total length of 143.04. So that's my x. I'm going to put that down here. X equals 143.04. All good. Okay, we got example 12. We've got to find the value of x. Again, we kind of have the same situation. I've got two different triangles. One is embedded in the other one. So we're going to go ahead and start. Oh, that's not helpful. With this little triangle on the inside. Again, I am going to go ahead and name that side Y. Nope. There we go. Just so I can keep track of what I've got going on. A lot of times when you've got multiple pieces in a triangle like this and you're not paying really close attention to which piece you're working with, it is incredibly easy to get them confused. So we want to try to avoid that. I get what? Tangent of 56 equals that opposite side, 115 over the adjacent side, that's y. So y equals 115 over the tangent of 56. We get roughly 77.57. So that's